Have you ever wished you could make your computer talk exactly like you, without recording a single word every time? Well, thanks to AI you can. In this video, I'll show you how to clone your voice using free AI tools, and how to do it safely and responsibly. So, what exactly is voice cloning? It's the process of training an AI model to reproduce your voice, your tone, accent, and even your speech rhythm. Once it learns your voice, you can type any text, and the AI will speak it back as if you said it yourself. Sounds like magic, right? Let's start with the basics, collecting your voice sample. You only need a short, clear recording, usually around 30 to 60 seconds of your normal speaking voice. Avoid background noise, and speak naturally, like you're explaining something to a friend. You can record it directly on your phone or using free online tools like Voicemod or Audacity. Next, upload your voice sample to a free AI voice cloning platform. Some popular options include ElevenLabs, free tier, VoiceLab on Voicemod, and Hugging Face Spaces with open source voice cloning models. Each of these lets you upload your sample, train the model, and then type text to generate speech in your own cloned voice. The whole process usually takes less than 10 minutes. After the training, you can test it, type any sentence, and hit generate. You'll hear your digital twin speak instantly. It's surprisingly realistic, complete with your tone, pacing, and emotion. Now, here's the important part: use your clone voice ethically. Don't use it to impersonate others, spread misinformation, or record fake statements. AI voice cloning is powerful, but it should only be used for creative or educational projects, like podcasts, narrations, accessibility tools, or video content. Pro tip: if you plan to use your cloned voice in videos, adjust the tone and pacing using a free audio editor like Audacity. You can make it sound smoother, warmer, or even more energetic. And that's it, you've just learned how to clone your voice for free with AI. It's fast, fun, and can make your content creation process 10x easier. Try it yourself, but remember, with great technology comes great responsibility. Your voice is unique now, it can be digital too. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.